everyone. Last week I posted a question asking which of the following are the common methods to test for diabetes. So the answer options given are A. Blood pressure test, B. Blood glucose test, C. HbA1c test, and D. Cholesterol test. And I found that most of you answered correctly. Congratulations. So what are the correct answers? The correct answers are blood glucose test as well as HbA1c test. Alright, so both are very common methods used, but I think many of you do not know that what HbA1c test is. Let me explain. Both the blood glucose test and HbA1c tests are common methods to diagnose diabetes. So the blood glucose test measures the sugar level in your blood at a specific moment, while the HbA1c test provides an average blood sugar levels over 2 to 3 months. Alright, so regular monitoring and testing can help detect diabetes early and manage it effectively. So stay tuned for more valuable tips and quizzes. See you and bye. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Join the movement to eliminate obesity and reverse metabolic syndrome. Together, we can make a difference. Hit the notification bell so you will never miss an update. Follow us on social media for more tips and support.